Good morning class. Welcome back to your computer class. Now open your books on page number 24, chapter number 3, Tools of Word Processor. In your previous class, you were familiar with the word processor. You know what is word processor. Okay? Word processor helps in storing word processor helps in storing, formatting or manipulating the document. Okay, look on your books such as letter, report, etc. Okay, it provides different tools for selecting, copying, deleting and printing the text. In the word processor you will find different kind of tools. For example, you can find a select tool for selecting the object. Okay, then copying, deleting and printing the text. After discussing the basic feature of a word processor, let us enhance our knowledge about its other features. Okay, beside this we will also focus on the shortcut keys associated with different functions and tools of word processor. Now, shortcut keys. Shortcut key. What is shortcut key? Can anyone tell me? Shortcut key is a particular key or key combination that helps in quick execution of a program. Shortcut key, for example, you are having 50 photos in a folder and you want to copy these 50 photos in another folder. Then instead of selecting the photos one by one, you will use shortcut key combination, that is Control plus A. It is used to select all the photos together. It is clear? This is the shortcut key combination. Now a quick review. Look on the books. Microsoft Word is an application software used for word processing. We will use Microsoft Word application for word processing. It was introduced by Microsoft Corporation, which is one of the world's largest companies in software development. Microsoft Word has the power and flexibility too. These are the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It produces letters, reports, notices, newsletters, books, bills, etc. quickly in a presentable manner. What? Produce letters, second point, modify the text. Modify the text. What do you mean by modify the text? It modify the text both while typing and after typing. It means that when you are typing, then you can modify the text, and after typing you can also modify the text. Beautify the text. How it can beautify the text? Beautify the text using different kind of colors, style, font size, border, shading and various other effects. Now third point, insert graphics. Insert graphics. Do you know what are graphics? Actually, graphics are visual images or designs on some surfaces such as a wall, canvas, screen, paper, etc. It is clear? Fourth one, copy and move the text. Copy and move the text. It can copy the text from one folder to another folder. Same, you can move the text from one folder to another folder. And last one, preview the text. Preview the text. Preview the text before printing it. You can, before printing the text, you can see the preview of that text and take multiple printouts. in a single time you can take so many printouts, not a single one. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.